you know what the horsepower is?
410.
410?
Yeah.
And you got the turbo setup and all that?
Yeah, turbo.
What's the size of the turbo on this?
It's
Oh, this is fucking fantastic setup though, man. It's very rare you see one this fucking nice.
It took me a long time. Like 5 years building it.
Yeah? This thing must backfire like a motherfucker, right?
Yeah, it's fucking 4-foot flames out the hood.
Holy. What's it weigh, do you know?
About 2,300 pounds.
Thank you. Okay. Fuck.
Take it on the track, do
Not yet.
quarter mile, no?
I did it when it was all motor, but it's not the same.
This thing will be quick.
It'll be fun, man. I want to go all-wheel drive with it. That's the goal.
Yeah?
Yeah, they just came out with a new tranny for this thing. For the H22's all-wheel drive conversion. So I might do that.
Fuck.
That'd be fun. Yeah,
Real
that'd be nuts.
big power, all of that.